Hello everyone! Today we're here at Magdalena, Laguna. Ngayon is nagpaplano kami na gumawa ng sofa sa bahay nila Vince. Kaya sa part na to is pumunta kami nila Vince sa Talipapa para pumili ng pang sopas. Tara, samahan nyo kami!
Bago tayo magluto, syempre, kailangan muna natin bumili ng mga ingredients. So, tara, samahan nyo kami. So, we're here at Talipapa, located in Magdalena, Laguna. Unahin muna natin bumili ng pasta. Mga 1 kilo para ang binili namin dyan para marami-rami na ang ating mailuto. Next is cabbage. Maliit lang kasi hindi kailangan marami dahil mabilis lang ito maluto. Then next is carrots. 1 carrots lang binili namin dyan, pampakulay ng ating sopas at dagdag sustansya na rin sa ating sopas. Then next is hot dogs. Mga 5 pieces na binili namin dyan. Dagdag kulay and mas masarap kasi kapag may hot dogs. Then next, ang pampakreamy ng ating sopas, ang evaporated milk. Ito ang nagbibigay ng creaminess sa lasa ng ating sopas. Kahit 1 lata lang ay enough na para sa ating ilulutong sopas. Then next, ang chicken. Dito talaga nanggagaling ang lasa ng sabaw. Then yung ibang ingredients tulad ng sibuyas, bawang, at yung mga pampalasa tulad ng asin ay meron na sa bahay. So, hindi na tayo bumili. Then, ayan. Complete na ang ating mga ingredients. Ngayon, ay umuwi na tayo para masimulan na ang pagluluto.
First, let's start with the garlic.
Kuya Nat Anggal.
So, ayan, balatan natin siya. Tiff lang, durugin mo muna ng konti gamit yung flat side na knife para madali tanggalin yung balat. Then, chop natin ang pino. Kung gusto mo, pwede rin medyo chunky. Depende sa recipe mo. Next, we have carrots. Slice the carrots the way you like. You can do round slices, thin strips, or julienne style. For stir-fry dishes, mas maganda yung mahabang manipis na hiwa. Be careful and watch your fingers. Now let's prepare our meat. You can use either chicken or pork for your sopas. Pero sa version natin today, chicken ang gamit natin. First, make sure your meat is clean and drained. If it's too big, but it into smaller portion first. Using a sharp knife, slice the meat into thin strips. Next, we have cabbage or repolyo. Cabbage adds crunch and freshness to our sopas. Now, place the cabbage flat size down on the chopping board and slice it thinly. Finally, let's slice our hot dogs. Hot dogs make our sopas more colorful and flavorful, especially for kids.
The first thing we're going to do is to add some butter and oil so the butter does not burn. Followed by garlic and mix it well. Next, we added onion and we will saute it until the color become golden brown. Next, we will add the chicken and we will stir it until it turns brown. We'll also add black pepper and stir it again. Then we will add the macaroni so that it can easily absorb the water when we add water later, and mix it well. Then we will add water again and let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. And when it starts boiling, we will add hot dogs, carrots, and cabbages. We'll also add a small amount of patis. And we let that sit for another 3 to 5 minutes. And finally, we will add evaporated milk, turn off the heat, and our sopas are ready to serve.
And there you have it, our delicious homemade sopas. Sheesh! Oops, wait lang. May gusto lang akong i-share sa inyo. Sabi sa Joshua 1:9, "Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go." Na reminder sa atin to na marami dumadating sa ating buhay, challenges, circumstances na mahirap. But the thing is, ito pa rin yung sinabi sa atin ng Lord na huwag tayong matakot, huwag tayong panghinaan ng loob, kasi lagi nating tatandaan na kasama natin siya. Kasama nating lumaban ang Lord, na hindi niya tayo iiwan, and lagi niya tayong sasamahan kung nasan man tayo. That's all. Thank you so much for watching.